Student loans will end on December 31st. We're the Department of Financial Protection and Innovation, the government watchdog for Californians with student loans. You may qualify for relief. Check your eligibility now. Go to dfpi.ca.gov/back on track and see why so many people are celebrating.
Angie's List is now Angie, and we've heard a lot of theories about why.
I thought it was an eco move. Fewer words, less paper.
No, it was so you could say it faster.
No, it's to be more iconic.
Must be a tech thing.
But those aren't quite right. It's because now you can compare upfront prices, book a service instantly, and even get your project handled from start to finish.
Sounds easy.
It is, and it makes us so much more than just a list. Get started at Angie.com. That's ANGI, or download the app today.
Injured in an accident? Visit superwomansuperlawyer.com.
Welcome back in. Clay Travis, Buck Sexton Show, rolling through the Friday edition of the program. Right off the top, no, we still do not know what's going to happen in Nevada, where Adam Laxalt leads by around 9,000 votes with 90% of the vote in. Also maybe flipping the governor's race there. It could be a pickup for Republicans. No, we still do not know what is going to happen in Arizona, where it may well go into Monday or Tuesday before all of these ballots are officially counted. I am out in Phoenix right now, and I appreciate our host at KFYI for having me here. This is all madness. And Monday, I hope, Buck, we're going to have some sense of what has actually transpired. Already in the first hour, we heard from Herschel Walker. Good news there. Brian Kemp, the governor who won by 8 or 9 points over Stacey Abrams, is basically his apparatus, his entire network, taking over in the runoff election to try and help Herschel beat Reverend Raphael Warnock. We hope that that is going to be a race with the Senate still in a potential winnable scenario for the Republicans, but we don't know what's going to happen in Nevada and Arizona. That race is going to happen on December 6th. There is major feuding going on, most of it from one direction, as Donald Trump is taking shots at Republicans everywhere, including the governor of Virginia, Glenn Youngkin, will have his response in a bit. Certainly Florida Governor Ron DeSantis, Trump saying that Ron DeSantis is just an average governor. The 2024 primary season is already upon us before we even know how the 2022 elections have turned out. Molly Hemingway, who is super smart, her mom also super smart, a big-time daily listener, Buck, if I remember correctly. So Molly Hemingway's mom, you're about to hear from your daughter. She says Republican
there's a lot of brilliance
leadership
in that family. I just want to point out, Molly's brilliant, her mom is brilliant.
Great taste in radio as well. Molly Hemingway says Republican leadership really felled Republican voters. Listen to this.
The ground was very fertile for a big Republican victory. Joe Biden's approval is in the toilet. 75% of the country thinks we're going in the wrong direction. And that Republican leaders could not turn that into a big victory for Republicans really is an indictment of how they're running things. Elections are not run anymore like they were in the 1980s. There is now extensive period of voting where people who are smart are running get out the vote operations every day, hauling in ballots every day. Republicans keep on thinking that election day is a single day, and they think if they get everybody excited for that last day that will be sufficient. That is not sufficient.
Who does she sound like?
Yeah.
Who does she sound like? And I didn't even hear that till I think it was this morning when
these cultural.
Pressed pause. It's still like recording. It's so weird.